Hello guys, hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Power of Data Science. I have brought you a new opportunities so that you can also learn like me. First let me us understand what Python is and what is it does. Python. Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language what dynamic semantics developed by Guide when Rusem it was originally researched in 1991. Python, how created Python? Point first, guide one Rusem, it's the creator of Python. Point two, released in 1991. Point third, Python is an easy programming language. Using Python, the complex programs can be written. Fourth point, Python is a popular programming language. Let's see next. Why should we learn Python? Huh. So guys, why should we learn Python? It is widely used in various business sectors such as programming, web development, machine learning, and data science. See, let's next. Advantage of Python. Open source. We can use Python software without any license and it's freeware. Simple syntax. Readability. Python syntax is similar to the English language. Python syntax doesn't release on curly brackets and semicolon. We non-need async data type will assigning variable dynamic type interpreted. Python is an interpreted language where programs can be executed directly without a compiler. Second, it will execute code directly without compiling a programming into machine learning insertion. Difference between an interpreted and a compiler. Interpreter executed program by taking one statement at a time. Compiler translates the entry programs at once into machine code. Interpreter error is repeated as soon as the first error is encountered. One show the next set of errors. It's if the exciting one isn't solved. Compiler error are repeated after the enter programs inject. Easier to debug. Difficult. No intermediate object code is generated, hence memory efficient. Generates intermediate object code, which further requires leaking, hence requires more memory. Overall, execution is slower, faster. Advance of Python, high level. Programmer, programmer friendly weak not required to concentrated low level. Activities like memory, management, and security etc. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented why or no factually why. Probability designed to be more or less independent of a particular types of computer, human, readable, friendly. Python works on different platform, Windows, MSC, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Robust standard library. It contains number of libraries allows developers to write programs with a fewer lines than some other programming language. Python, core Python, common for everyone who works on Python. Python alone isn't going to get you a job unless you are extremely good at it. Python has role. Python has per roles in various fields. The Python developer, data analytics, system engineering, machine learning with AI engineer, data scientist, data engineering. All about C, Python as per roles in various fields. Application of Python, machine learning. What is a machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science which focus on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the why that humans learning gradually improving its accuracy. Using scikit-learn. What is a scikit-learn? scikit-learn क्या है? Scikit-learn is a library in the Python that provide provide many unsupervised and supervised learning algorithms. NumPy. What is a NumPy? Everyone, what is a NumPy? Used for. NumPy can be used to perform wide variety of mathematical opportunities on arrays, operation and arrays. Pandas. What is a pandas? Structure that contains two-dimensional data and its corresponding labels. SkyPy. What is a SkyPy and used for? SkyPy is an open source Python library which is used to solve scientific and mathematically problems. It is built on the NumPy executions, extensions, and allows the user to manipulate and visualize data. The with a wide range of high-level commands. Artificial intelligence. What is a artificial intelligence? Some of this type of AI is even scientifically possible right now. According to the current system of classification, there are your primary AI tips, acutely limited memory, theory of mind and self aware, and so on. Deep learning, natural language processing, image and video processing, audio processing, web applications, web for work such as a Django, micro for work framework such as a Flask, games, Pyso, 3D games engine, Python games, library games development, web scraping, request, beautifuls, shop, who knows, everyone. Python used in various fields. Python can be used in different ways such as software developer, data analytics, data scientist, hacker, game designer, scientist, etc. So like Python diagram, it is a not anaconda. These are Python, high level scripting, a general purpose, various of method execution Python, various method to execute in Python. What is the various? There are various methods to run a Python script. We will go through some generally used method for running a Python script. Interactive mode, commanded line, text editor, VS Code, IDE, PyCharm, and so other. Python can be executed in various way. Python commanded prompt, Python idle, run file in Python idle with idle, iterated development environment. What is the ideal? IDE, an integrated development environment. IDE is a software application that helps programmer developer software code efficiently. It increases developer productivity by combining capabilities such as the software, editing, building, testing, and packaging in an easy to use applications. And use tools Jupyter Notebook, Spider, PyCharm, Visual Code, and so other. So guys, session will be end. Thank you every thank you very much to all of you for giving me so much precious time. थैंक यू गाइस मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में